Namaste students. Today's our topic is convergence of corporate legal system in the present scenario. It is undeniable fact that the drive for good corporate governance practice has caused global reforms in corporate governance towards a single model. This study has taken both theoretical and empirical analysis to demonstrate the reality of convergence in India. With NIFTY companies as simple sample size, the study found out that clause 49 has many similarities with Anglo-American model. While in practice, the same can be said with constraints. Ownership structure and poor enforcement of regulation are the major constraints of Indian convergence to Anglo-American model. The study therefore shares similar thoughts with Asprajopur that Anglo-American model is dominant in principle but restricted in practice. In undeniable fact that the drive for good corporate governance practice has caused global reforms in corporate governance towards a single model. This study has taken both theoretical and empirical analysis to demonstrate the reality of convergence in India. Over the past 2 decades, corporate governance reform have emerged as a central focus of corporate law in countries across the development spectrum. Various legal scholars studying these reform efforts have engaged in a vigorous debate about whether globalization will lead to convergence of a corporate governance laws toward one model of governance, namely the Anglo-American dispersed shareholders model, or whether existing national characteristics will the word convergence. Despite rapid economic growth and reform in developing countries such as India, the legal literature discussing the debate primarily focus for huge and developed economies. Corporate governance reforms in India as a case study for evaluating the competing claims on global convergence of corporate governance standards currently polarizing the field of corporate law. It contends that the Indian experience demonstrates the traditional theories preceding convergence, or a lack thereof, failed to fully capture the trajectory of a actual corporate governance reforms in India. Reform efforts demonstrate the while corporate governance rules may convergence on a formal level with Anglo-American corporate governance norms. Local characteristics lend to prevent reforms from being more than merely formal inability to effectively implement and enforce its extensive new rules corroborates the argument that comprehensive convergence is limited. The transmission of ideas from one system to another is highly complex and difficult. Regarding political, social, and institutional changes, they can't be made easily. Thank you. Thank you so much.